Most of the gamers spend $2,000 on a PC, $500 on a keyboard and mouse, and then talk into a $20 headset mic that sounds like they're calling from a submarine. The problem is, every brand promises studio quality, but most of them, they're just cheap components inside a fancy metal case with RGB lights. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 best gaming microphones of 2026. I've ranked them based on voice clarity, noise canceling, build quality, and actual real-world gaming performance. Stick around for my #1 pick because it's the first mic I've tested that makes you sound like a professional voice actor without any complicated software. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. So let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5 is the Razer Seiren V3 Chroma. If you're a gamer or streamer who cares about both sound quality and aesthetics, this mic brings something unique to your setup. The biggest standout here is the stream and game reactive RGB lighting. This isn't just static RGB. The lighting syncs with supported games and can react in real time to stream events like alerts, emotes, and notifications. While you're live, your microphone literally responds to what's happening on screen. But this mic isn't only about looks. It features a supercardioid condenser capsule, which focuses tightly on your voice while suppressing background noise like keyboard typing or mouse clicks. One of the smartest features here is the multi-function tap to mute sensor. Instead of searching for a button midstream, you can simply tap the top of the mic to mute instantly. You can even customize double or triple taps to adjust lighting or toggle the digital gain limiter. Speaking of audio control, the Seiren V3 Chroma includes a built-in digital gain limiter. This automatically prevents distortion if your voice suddenly gets loud, like during intense gaming moments. Combined with the internal shock absorber design, it reduces unwanted vibrations and desk noise. It's fully plug and play via USB. Just connect it to your PC and you're ready to stream, chat, or record. It works seamlessly with platforms like Discord, OBS Studio, and XSplit without requiring complicated drivers. If you want deeper control, you can use Razer Synapse software. From there, you can customize the RGB lighting and audio settings. Now for the downsides. It doesn't include a built-in pop filter, so you may need an external one for the best vocal clarity. Priced at around $100 on Amazon, making it one of the more affordable options on this list. And for the best deals and exclusive coupon codes like Temu, Hostinger, and AliExpress, visit our website, couponoffer.net. At number 4 on our list is the Sennheiser Profile USB microphone. Sennheiser designed the Profile USB to be simple, clean, and professional. It's fully plug and play, just connect it via USB-C and start recording. No complicated software, no driver installations, and no confusing setup. It works with macOS, Windows, iPadOS, and even Android devices, making it extremely versatile for different setups. What truly sets it apart is the sound quality. The cardioid condenser capsule is engineered to deliver a natural, warm tone that enhances the clarity and presence of your voice. It captures detailed audio while reducing background noise effectively. Right on the microphone, you get dedicated knobs for gain, headphone volume, and mix control. This allows you to balance your mic audio with your device audio in real time. There's also a soft touch mute button with an LED ring indicator, so you can instantly see whether you're muted or live. For monitoring, it includes a 3.5mm headphone jack that provides zero latency monitoring. That means you can hear yourself in real time without any delay. Build quality feels premium. The metal housing is sturdy and durable, and the adjustable tilt with a self-locking joint makes positioning easy and precise. It includes a stable table stand, and there's also a streaming set version available with a boom arm and integrated cable management. Unlike some other gaming-focused microphones, it doesn't feature RGB lighting or advanced software customization. It's more about professional audio performance than visual flair. Priced around $118 on Amazon, which is very reasonable for this level of audio quality and build. If you want clean, warm, professional-grade sound in a simple plug-and-play package, the Sennheiser Profile USB is one of the best choices. At the third spot on our list is the HyperX QuadCast 2S. If you want a microphone that delivers both studio-level audio quality and serious visual impact, this one hits the sweet spot. Let's start with sound. The QuadCast 2S features 32-bit depth and a 192 kHz sampling rate, which is exceptional for a USB gaming mic. That means you get high-resolution, crystal-clear recordings with excellent dynamic range. But this mic doesn't just sound premium, it looks premium. It features over 100 individually customizable ARGB LEDs, supporting more than 16 million color combinations. You can sync it with your setup's theme or create dynamic lighting effects that react during your stream. Control is simple and intuitive. The tap to mute sensor lets you mute instantly with a quick touch, no clicking sounds or awkward pauses. There's also a multifunction knob that allows you to adjust mic gain, headphone volume, monitor mix, and switch between polar patterns. And speaking of versatility, it offers 4 selectable polar patterns: cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and stereo. That makes it suitable for solo streaming, interviews, two-person podcasts, or even group discussions. The redesigned detachable shock mount reduces desk vibrations and supports both 3/8" and 5/8" threading for boom arm compatibility. It also includes LED VU meters and status indicators, so you can monitor levels and settings at a glance. Using HyperX Ingenuity software, you can fine-tune EQ, noise reduction, gain staging, and RGB lighting effects. Priced around $130 on Amazon, which is very competitive considering the high-resolution audio and advanced features. Overall, if you want high-end sound quality, multiple polar patterns, strong software control, and eye-catching RGB lighting, the HyperX QuadCast 2S is one of the most versatile options in this lineup. At the second spot on our list is the SteelSeries Alias Pro. Now, this isn't just a typical USB gaming microphone. This is a full pro-level XLR setup built specifically for serious streamers and content creators. The Alias Pro features a cardioid XLR microphone, placing it in a higher performance category than standard USB mics. XLR connectivity delivers a cleaner signal transmission and gives you more professional level audio control. One of the biggest highlights is the oversized capsule. SteelSeries designed it to be up to 3 times larger than typical gaming microphones. A larger capsule captures more vocal detail and depth, giving your voice a richer, fuller presence on stream. But what really makes this kit stand out is the included XLR stream mixer. This isn't just a simple audio interface. It's a fully customizable control hub. It features RGB lighting, real-time audio monitoring, and fully mappable dials and buttons. You can fade music, adjust mic levels, or control different audio inputs instantly without interrupting your stream. It also supports easy dual PC connectivity via USB-C, allowing you to connect 1 or even 2 PCs seamlessly. The integrated shock mount reduces unwanted vibrations, whether you're using the included stand or a boom arm, keeping your audio clean and professional. On the software side, SteelSeries Sonar for Streamers provides tools like a compressor, 10-band EQ with presets, app-based routing, and AI-powered noise cancellation, all in one centralized platform. Now for the downsides. As an XLR setup, it's more complex than plug-and-play USB microphones and better suited for creators ready for a professional workflow. It also comes at a higher price point. Priced around $314 on Amazon, if you're serious about streaming, want true XLR broadcast quality sound, and need complete control over your audio mix, the SteelSeries Alias Pro is a powerful and professional choice. And finally, at the very top of our list, we have the Shure MV7 Plus. And this microphone truly deserves the #1 spot. First, this microphone is OBS certified, meaning it's optimized specifically for streaming and podcasting. It features advanced DSP processing and voice isolation technology that keeps your voice front and center, even if you're recording in a non-treated room. One of the standout features is auto level mode. Unlike basic gain controls, this system automatically adjusts your mic level based on distance and loudness. If you lean back, move closer, or suddenly get louder during intense moments, the mic adapts in real time. It also includes a real-time denoiser that actively removes background noise, making it perfect for creators who don't have a fully soundproof studio. For added creativity, the MV7 Plus introduces onboard reverb effects, including plate, hall, and studio modes. This allows you to add professional polish to vocals without external plugins. Connectivity is a major reason this mic ranks number 1. You get both USB-C and XLR outputs. That means you can start with a simple plug-and-play USB recording today, then upgrade to a professional XLR audio interface later without replacing your microphone. Design-wise, the customizable LED touch panel gives it a modern, premium look. You can choose from 16.8 million colors, monitor levels in real time, and tap anywhere on the panel to mute instantly. Using the Motive Mix app, you can fine-tune EQ, compression, gain, and LED settings. There's also a built-in 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can hear yourself clearly while recording. Now for the downsides. It's priced higher than typical USB gaming microphones, and to fully unlock its potential in XLR mode, you'll need an audio interface. Priced at around $299 on Amazon, positioning it in the premium creator category. But if you want broadcast quality sound, USB simplicity, and long-term XLR flexibility, the Shure MV7 Plus delivers on every level, making it the best overall choice on this list. Now, let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. I will reply to your comment. And hey, I put a lot of effort into this video to help you pick the right gaming microphone, so if it helped you even a little, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. It really motivates me to create more helpful content for you. All the Amazon links with the latest pricing are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.